Anura Kumara Disanayaka, leader, NPP Jatika Jana Balavegya. Sir, please step forward. Comrade Dr. Nalinda Jatissa, the National Executive Committee member of NPP. Dr. Harini Amrasurya, National Executive Committee member of NPP. Professor Gomika Udugamasuriya of University of Houston and Managing Director of Anderson Cancer Center, the US. Professor O.A. Ileperuma, Emeritus Professor of Chemistry, University of Peradeniya. Dr. Mudita Senarath Yapa, former Head of Research at the John Keel's Research. Professor Sanathe Tiarachi, Professor of Biological Sciences, Rajarata, University of Sri Lanka. Professor Sarath Malavi Patharina, Professor in Chemistry of Sabaragamu University of Sri Lanka. Dr. Nadika Ratnayaka, Senior Scientist in Environmental Chemistry and Geochemistry of Hydrobiology, Queensland, Australia. Professor Krishanta Abesena, Senior Professor in Public Health, University of Kelaniya. Professor Himali Munasinghe, Professor in Zoology, Dean, Faculty of Science, University of Ruhuna. Professor Rohan Fernando, Dean, Faculty of Natural Sciences, Open University of Sri Lanka. Professor W.M. Striani, Professor in Conservation Biology, Rajarata, University of Sri Lanka. Professor Devaka K. Veerakun, Professor in Zoology, University of Colombo. Professor G.R.A. Kumara, Research Professor, National Institute of Fundamental Studies, NIFS. Dr. Anura Disanayaka, former Deputy Director, Robert Research Institute of Sri Lanka and CEO, International Consultation Service. Professor R.M. Dharmadasa, Director and Research Professor, Industrial Technology Institute. Mr. Ajit Gunaratna, former Director, National Aquatic Resources Research and Development Agency, NARA. Engineer, Mrs. Namali Simbalapidia, Director, Retired Road Development Authority. Engineer Saman Kirtiratna, General Manager, Ambevela Products Private Limited. Professor Jayanta Vijay Bandara, Professor in Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences, University of Sri Javardhanapura. Professor Vijendra Jailat Bandara, Professor of Physics, Chairman, Research Grants Commission, Postgraduate Institute of Science, University of Peradeniya. Dr. K. Mahendra Raja, Consultant Surgeon, Jaffna Hospital. Professor Anand Karunaratne, former Vice Chancellor, Rajarata, University of Sri Lanka. Professor Dikshana Suravira, Founder Dean of the Faculty of Business, Sri Lanka Institute of Information Technology, Slate. Professor Jeevanta Premaratne, Department of Chemistry, University of Kelaniya. Dr. Dilip Kumar Fernando, Chief Executive Officer, Avon Pharmo Private Limited. Dr. Motilal De Silva, CEO, Internet Plus Asia. Former Chief Strategic Officer, Dialog Asiata PLC. Former Group CEO, Telecom Fiji Limited. Professor Jude Fernando, Professor in Sustainability and Social Justice, Clark University in the US. Dr. Priyantha Veerasinghe, former Director, Horticulture, Crop Research and Development Institute, Department of Agriculture.